This is the brand new compact chemical sprayer from Ryobi. Utilizing their 4-volt USB little lithium battery system, it provides up to 20 cartridges of spray time using this thing. Now, coming in at a price tag of just about 50 bucks, I wanted to see, is this thing usable for people, or is it just a glorified trigger sprayer that you don't actually have to pump? Essentially, that is exactly what it is. But for me personally, I absolutely love this thing. It may be the coolest item that Ryobi has launched in a long time. Also, possibly the most unnecessary, depending on what your needs are. So I'm here to tell you my honest opinion on this thing. Is it worth your money? They come in at 50 bucks. I went to my local Home Depot. I bought 4 of these thinking I could use them on for different chemicals. Now, I will say there are reviews on Home Depot's website for this item. There's like 15 of them or so at the time of this recording, but all of them state, they're all 5 stars, and then all of them state that the review is part of a promotional product thing. So I'm assuming those people got them for free and then did a review for that. I don't know. So this is completely unbiased. I paid for these out of my pocket, and just gonna give you my personal opinion on if it's a viable product or not. So with that said, I'm gonna be speaking on my own behalf. I'm a professional car detailer. I use a lot of different sprayers for different things, right? And a lot of times, especially if I'm using, like, there's a product called an iron remover, and you cover the whole vehicle with it, and you're spraying, if you're just using a traditional sprayer, it's brutal. Your forearm is on fire by the time you're done. Also, wheel cleaners, things like that, it's a lot of pumping, and this takes away that completely. Just has this little button on the front, has an adjustable dial here. So right now it's on tightened all the way down. It's gonna be the fan pattern, so here you go. Okay, and then we can, I don't wanna shoot it across the room, but we're gonna loosen it up. Here we go. Shoots way across the room. Fantastic little item here, really responsive as well. I'll show you guys some footage of what I was using it for today. Really, really cool little system. Now, when we talk about the battery life, they do state up to 20 cartridges full, right? So that's a lot of spraying. However, the cool thing about their little USB lithium system is like even in my truck as I'm driving to the next customer, I can plug it into my USB, plug it in, it's a USB-C here, and it's charging. Very, very simple, very easy to use. I think you can actually use these as a battery bank too, where you can charge your phone or whatever from them. I think, don't hold me to that, but these ones that come with it are a 2 amp hour. I have no idea if they come with anything or if they offer any larger amp hour capacity batteries. I doubt it because of the small capacity here, the small area for it to fit. But like I said, plenty of runtime for what I've needed it for. So there are a couple of things I wanted to go over about this item. One is, what can it spray? Obviously, it can spray nice, thinned out liquids, right? So detail sprays, wheel and tire cleaners, some higher alkaline products with pre-treatments for your vehicles should be no problem. I'm gonna try and open one up to see how the system is routed, because if it's a higher alkaline product, I don't know if it's gonna degrade this over time. It may not, I do not know. Another thing is, can you use other bottles with it? And I tested that today, and it worked perfectly fine for me. There's a couple of little things you're gonna wanna adjust, but we'll get into that in a little bit. And obviously, guys, if you are a fan of rinseless washing your vehicle, this thing is awesome to do that initial coating, cover the whole vehicle with the rinseless, let it start encapsulating the dirt. This thing's phenomenal for it. Again, it doesn't hold the most capacity. The bottle that it comes with, it's half a liter, it says 0.5, so 500 milliliters, that's approximately 16 something ounces. But man, it's fantastic. It has a quick connect system here, so you just pull this down, pops right off, there it is. And now let's talk about changing out the bottle. You can literally just unscrew this, and it's a standard threaded item here, guys. So you can, it's got a nice little filter at the bottom as well, but you can put this into a different bottle. The only downside about that, like I was using a standard 32 ounce, 1 liter bottle, is that the hose isn't long enough. So you will want to replace the hose if you're gonna do that. But that's it. I mean, and it doesn't fit a traditional trigger sprayer style straw. Those are too small. You need a thicker one like this, but then it's perfectly ready to go. When I was considering changing out the bottle, I was looking at the one that this comes with, and there is a little bit of a, if you look right here, hopefully this is gonna focus for you, right there, it's like a little ring and then the plastic's back in there again. And I was trying to figure out, is that like a pressure release valve or something like that so that it doesn't collapse the bottle? I don't know, but what I can say is the bottle, let me grab it. The bottle here that I've been using, right? It's just attached, no any sort of air release or anything like that on that one, and it worked perfectly fine. The only downside is, again, the straw didn't reach all the way down into the chemical, so I was starting to get some air in the system, but other than that, it's phenomenal. So guys, let's go ahead and open up another one. I bought 4 of these things. I've been using 2 of them, again, on the car that I was working on earlier today, but let's go ahead and pop this open. I just want to show you what it comes with at around 50 bucks. So again, not for everyone, right? But for those situations where you are spraying a lot, this really, really simplifies it. So you have your battery. As I stated, you just have this simple USB to USB-C charging cable. Plug it in anywhere. Then you have the unit itself packaged up nicely, right? Again, you have a little quick connect system here, and you're good to go. Additionally, guys, you just have the paperwork, the usual warranty about the product, all that kind of good stuff. So what I'm gonna do really quickly is back off some of these items. Okay, so I don't know, this is gonna be harder to tell. It's a nice metal style fitting for the adjustment. However, when you look back here, it is just plastic. There's a little O-ring on the outside. All that looks good, but again, I don't know where the chemical is being routed through. If there's a pump inside and the chemical is going through that does worry me of it lasting as long. So we're gonna try and open that up and see. Additionally, we talked about rinseless washes, we talked about quick detailers, wheel cleaners, iron removers, again, phenomenal for that. And then as well as interior products too. So very, very cool. Let's go ahead and try and open this thing up. It looks like it's it's a really small fitting, so hopefully I have the right screwdriver. All right, guys, unfortunately, a little side note here. So it looks like it's a torque system styled screw. T10 is the smallest that I have, and it's too big. Yeah, way too big, so I can't open this up. That is unfortunate, but the other thing I'm wondering about is, will it spray thicker components, mainly like a tire dressing, right? I use a water-based sprayable tire dressing. That's always my preference. Now, each tire dressing is gonna have a little bit of different consistency to it, so it's gonna depend. But I have some here. A tire shine that I absolutely love is called Aqua Shine from Carglaw. It's a local company to me. I love that stuff. Let's go ahead and throw it in a bottle and just see if it sprays or if it gets clogged up or whatever else. Now, as I'm getting this ready, guys, I wanna note, tire dressing is not something that I probably will be using these for, to be perfectly honest. A couple of sprays in an applicator pad and then I apply it. So I'm not concerned about the heavy pumping when I'm doing my, my tire dressing. This is purely just a test to see if it can spray that consistency. So here is my tire dressing, and here's the consistency of it. You can see it kind of running off here, but it's definitely a thicker consistency. I'm not having a lot of confidence right now in the fact that this is going to be able to work through this, just to be perfectly honest. And again, this is a very sprayable dressing. When you get into sprayable dressing, sometimes you can go too thin, and then they don't get the coverage you want. That's why I like this one so much, because it really kind of fits the balance of kind of taking care of everything. It's sprayable, it's thin enough, but it gets fantastic coverage and does a great job. All right, guys, so we've got it loaded in here. In order to test this, I'm gonna go ahead and back this off a bit. I'm just gonna spray it into the box here and see if it works. Now. Wait, oh, there you go. Okay, so we're going. Took a little bit to prime. I don't know, man, maybe this is okay. Obviously, testing this over time is gonna be the way to do it, because I don't know, maybe this could potentially get clogged up over time. Now, I will state I am not getting, so already I've confirmed I would not use this for tire dressing because I have it tightened all the way down to the fan setting now, but because it's thicker, it's still pretty much coming out pretty narrow fan. So no, I would not use this for tire dressing. But again, for the items that I spoke about before, I think this is a really, really cool product. Now with the price, you do have to kind of take that into consideration and see what works best for you. I know there's a bunch of other pump sprayers out there. Obviously IK makes a ton of good ones, foaming ones as well. This isn't that. This is just a fantastic little unit to be able to, like iron removers, like I said, as long as it's a nice and thin one. Rinseless products though, home run for me. I think this is gonna be awesome for that. Wheel cleaners, all that kind of good stuff. And again, even for interiors as well. So I think it's a really cool product. I will be testing this more and more. I'll see what other kind of things I can kind of manipulate it and see if I can get creative and figure out other ways to use this thing. But I just wanted to bring this to you guys' attention because like I said, this thing on Home Depot's website has 15 reviews currently, and they all state part of a promotion. This review is from part of a promotion. So I wanted to give you my personal opinion on this thing. I went out and bought this, and yeah, so far I really, really like it. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that video helps you. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on that notification bell, and we will see you guys on the next one.